So this is Chef Nedra back again, but this time I'm coming back with some vegan banana foster pancakes. Yes, you heard it here. Even just editing this video made my mouth water. Only tip I can give you as far as measuring is that I use a cup of flour. On this part, if you have time, set your pancake mix aside and let it aerate so them pancakes can be nice, light, and fluffy. The mistake that people have is having their pan too high or too low. You gotta have it medium high heat. So make sure you put enough butter in the pan so you can get those crispy edges. Right, the part we've been waiting on. You see the little bubbles? Now it's time to flip. So now we're getting ready to make the banana foster sauce. Now I don't do no measuring, so just pour as much as you want, okay? Now make sure your pan is on a medium heat and stir everything all the way in. So I was fancy right here, so I had to grab some Madagascar vanilla bean, baby. Since we doing it all the way up, I couldn't use the cheap cinnamon. So I know it's a little early for the liqueur, but we're adults, and who said vegan wasn't fun? Now it's time to see how tall I can stack these vegan banana foster pancakes. So I know you're not halfway through this video and haven't subscribed yet. You tripping. Wait, did I just put some walnuts on top? Now it was only right that I had to get chocolate imported from France and drizzle on top of this mess. Now to finish it off with this Grand Marnier serve. Yeah, make sure you go down and drop a comment below and tell me how you like the recipe.